Assalamualaikum. In today's video we are going to learn how to make crispy potato wedges. Let's get into the procedure. Take 4 medium-sized potatoes. This will serve 4 to 5 members. Wash the potatoes thoroughly and peel the skin off them. Cut the potato into two and make the half into 3 slices. Cut the rest of them as shown. Boil the water in a vessel and add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Gently place the potato slices and boil them for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the flame and take out these boiled potatoes into a bowl. Let's prepare the batter to coat the potatoes. Take 2 spoons of all-purpose flour and 2 spoons of corn flour. One teaspoon of chilli powder, salt for taste, one teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Make it a thin paste by adding small quantities of water and mix it thoroughly without lumps. The batter is ready. Coat the potatoes with some all-purpose flour or Maida. Dip the potato slices into the prepared batter. Make sure they are covered it properly. Gently place these slices into the breadcrumb as shown. Now coat the slices with the breadcrumb. Here I have the smooth texture of the breadcrumb. Try to get the rough texture so that you will have more crispy and crunchy finishing. Coating is done. Now you need to freeze them for 15 minutes prior to the deep frying. You can store this for a month. Take them out after 15 to 20 minutes of freezing. Gently place the potato wedges in the boiling oil and deep fry them until they turn golden brown. Serve them hot. Crispy potato wedges are ready to serve. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share my videos.